Hey guys, this is Jonah from Simple Cookery. Today I'm going to show you how to make DALGONA coffee, which is a coffee whipped cream on top of milk. It looks really pretty and tastes absolutely amazing. And we're going to make two other variations as well. A matcha version, always going to make a matcha version, and Milo as well. So 3 ways to make DALGONA coffee coming up. So DALGONA coffee essentially consists of 2 components. You've got milk and then you've got the coffee cream. For the coffee cream, it's super easy to remember the ingredients. You've got 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Once those 3 ingredients are in a bowl, you start whisking. You can use either an electric whisker or a manual whisker. Just to quicken things up, I'm going to use an electric whisker here. What you're looking for is that dark brown coffee color to turn into a light and creamy coffee cream sort of consistency. You'll know when it's done when you lift up your whisk and the cream kind of stays in place. Once the coffee cream is ready, get a glass and pour milk in 3/4 of the way up, and then get a spoon and carefully ladle it on top of the milk. If it's whisked correctly, the cream should stay in place, and that's what gives this DALGONA coffee that classic layered look. So that's pretty simple, that's DALGONA coffee. Now we're gonna make 2 alternatives, matcha and Milo. So with the matcha and Milo, start off with a bit of thickened cream in a bowl, and you just want to whisk this up, similar to how we did the coffee cream. Once again, you'll know when the cream is ready when you lift up your whisk and the cream kind of stays in place. Great, so once the cream has been whisked up, you want to spoon 2 to 3 tablespoons into 2 separate bowls. And then in one bowl, add 1 tablespoon of Milo, and in the other, add 1 tablespoon of matcha powder. So let's start off with the matcha powder first. Let's combine this with the cream by just giving it a quick whisk. Not too much because we've already whisked it. When the matcha cream is ready, repeat the same steps. So get a glass, pour milk 3/4 of the way up, and then just carefully spoon on your matcha cream on top. To finish it off, we're going to give it a final dusting of matcha powder. And for the Milo, it's the exact same steps. So once again, whisk it up with thickened cream, get a glass, pour it 3/4 of the way up, and spoon your Milo mixture on. And once again, for that final touch, we're going to sprinkle on a bit of Milo as well. And there we have it, my friends. We've got the classic DALGONA coffee, and then we've got your 2 alternatives, matcha and also Milo as well. Enjoy.
Hey guys.
What's up? I'm going to have the coffee.
I'm going to have the matcha.
Okay, so you need to get a spoon. You can taste the cream by itself first.
I think I do have a spoon.
Mmm.
So you guys can have the Milo.
It's very strong, very strong. It's like,
Look at that.
very strong because you've got 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. But
Dude!
I've been spilling, I spilled that one when we made it as well.
I feel like a kid again. This looks so appetizing. And you're gonna drink it like that. Cocoa puff.
What do you reckon? Nice? You want to try this one?
Look at my lips. What does my lips say?
You want to try this one? Give this a go, guys. It's nice, refreshing. It tastes kind of like iced coffee. Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. Give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Licky's barking. Shh, Licky. Give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Licky, shh. Drop a comment down below and let us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. On Simple Cookery, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, see you next week, guys. Bye-bye.